fanfare, PT Hobby Motor Indonesia, HMI, launched two new products at once, SOIB S and SOIB SS. As the name implies, both are environmentally friendly electric motors. For the introduction of SOIB S was Nejing atau Bersetumpelek Blek 2018. Sozanya can be directly tested visitors, and quite stealing the attention because displayed in front of the booth of custom motors are very contrasting. SOIB S and SOIB SS are two new products from us. Unit test tried in atau Bersa SOIB S. We show for the introduction, opened Michael Sofian, director of PT Hobby Motor Indonesia. The design of SOIB S is very typical of EV motors in Taiwan and Japan. Looks funny for its size, the body is fairly slim from front to back and there are additional top box. SOIB S EV power source comes from a dry battery capacity of 48 VDC 20 Ah. Battery power is used to drive an electric motor hub motor BLDC type that is claimed to produce 500 W power. The battery can be charged instantly by plugging into the home socket. But not yet known how long charging from empty condition. In the condition of fully charged battery, motor can run up to 55 km with a speed of 40 km/h. Because the rules of electric motors will be boiled again, so we still insert this bike in the electric bike specification. So there are still pedals made in gauze. This motor is already in our dealership. The price is currently Rp 14.9 million, said Michael.